don't you, Shenny? Foo Fighters. Nothing but that. Too alarming now to talk about. Take your pictures down and check it out. Truth or consequence, say it aloud. Use that evidence, race it around. There goes my hero, watch him as he goes. There goes my hero, ordinary. Anyway, yeah, there's.
He's messing around with the tones.
There. Eat a bloody mandarin. Why he argue with me? Bad boy. White boy. Asian boy, no argue back.
EJ already do that.
That's that bad Western influence. President Z would be very disappointed.
Throwing the garden?
Z. Xi Jinping.
Sing! Sing!
Right.
Sing!
Well, I said my goodbyes, and I left my home behind, and the girl who broke my heart in two. Picked up my pick, my shovel and my axe, and I headed way up north to the gold fields, away from you. Rode night and day with old Rusty by my side. I'm more faithful dog ever have I seen. He was blind in one eye, had his head on sort of wrong, yeah, but he loved me, though he was kind of mean. Oh, we walked on. Give me those North Alaskan nights where the sun shines, where the days are light, where the darkness is not. Give me those North Alaskan nights where the sun shines, for I know that I'll never sleep again. We ran out of food about the 32nd day, and with tears in my eyes I drew my gun. Before I could shoot, Rusty lay down on the ground, gave a cough, and right there he died, by my side. I ate his remains like Shannon. I thought about the love and the friendship that he had given me, while I made his pelt into a rug for my Santa Cruz living room floor. I got my revenge on the girl that broke my heart, but I lost the only friend I knew. Oh, he was true. Give me those North Alaskan nights where the sun shines, where the days are night, where the darkness is light. Give me those North Alaskan nights where the sun shines, for I know that I'll never sleep again. This is about Mariah Carey and Carrie Packer, James Packer. You know I like the billionaires, if they still got their own hair, then they buy me swanky rings and 1,000 fancy things. And when I'm dead and I'm fun and done, I'll take half this shit and run. Because that's the funnest thing for me, is to get paid as a divorcee. It's so beautiful on the inside, and kind of so ugly on the outside. And as you say, you can't see me unless I've got 6.5 tons of makeup smeared on with a trowel. What are we up to so far? This is like too long for me already. I've run the joke has run through to its end. I've got nothing else. No.